Hey my babies, welcome back. First thing is first, let's put some lip gloss on these crusty ass lips, okay? So now I'm gonna go in with my Sistar Brow Perfective Pencil and Coral, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. First time trying out all of these products, you guys, so I'm gonna be honest in how I feel about it. This brow pencil in particular, it's good. Actually, it's very creamy. I'll tell you that. It's not one of those brow pencils that's like super hard to like fill in. It's like really easy and creamy as well, so that's really good. But everybody has their opinion in brow pencils, but this one is not bad. I'll probably have to use it more to see how I really feel about it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in and fix my brows real quick, as in like fill them in a little bit more, because I can't use this, you guys. This is too small for me, and I usually want to get up close so I don't miss anything on my brows. And I'm also, when I'm gonna be gone for a little bit, I'm gonna use this Sistar what is this, Skin Perfecting HD concealer, and this is in bronze. I'm gonna list everything down in the description box, so you guys make sure you check that out. I'm just gonna clean up my eyebrows as well, and y'all, this concealer, it seems like a good one, so I'm gonna be back, and stay tuned. Don't leave, do not leave. So now I'm gonna go in with my Sistar It's You Skin Smoothing Primer, you guys. This primer is okay. Not my ideal kind of primer that I'll pick up and use on a daily, because I am dry skin and I feel like this primer did not give me any type of moisture in my skin, but it really did smooth out my foundation, if that makes any sense. So I'll give that to it. I'm now going to go into my It's You Skin Perfecting Foundation. This is a weightless long wear foundation, as they say it is, and the shade I'm in is Chocolate Chip. I really love how they name these foundations. It's pretty cool. They have other ones that's like bronze and tan. I don't know, I just like it. But so far this foundation is not bad. Like you guys can tell, like the coverage of this foundation is pretty insane. It's really insane, and I feel like it gives me some type of moisture into my skin. Like, doesn't it? I don't know if you guys can tell, it looks so hydrating, you know, like, and the primer kind of also helped it get on so smooth, so it made my foundation look so smooth. So now I'm gonna go in with my It's You Skin Perfecting HD concealer, and this is in bronze, you guys. The concealer, okay, I'll have to give it to them. The concealer is bomb. The coverage on the concealer is really good. So the concealer is a plus to me. I would totally recommend that concealer. So now I'm going to go ahead and set where I conceal with my It's You Skin Perfecting finishing powder, and this is in translucent. I'm not crazy for translucent powders. I've realized that I feel like I can look like white like really quick, so that's the only issue I have with the translucent powder. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Sistar contour palette, you guys. I'm just gonna contour all the places that I usually contour, and I wanted to go heavy on the contour just because I felt like my face was looking a lot lighter than my chest and my all that good stuff. So I wanted to go super heavy on it to just bring that warmth back to my skin. So yeah, this contour palette I do love. Like, I really love it. I really strongly love it. It kind of reminds me of my Sleek Cosmetics contour palette. It's really good. The highlight kind of reminds me of the Fenty Beauty, that yellow highlight. I still haven't tried it, but it kind of looks like it in my opinion. But this one is just affordable. So like I said on the not description box, the title, this is super affordable. This products are probably under $100. To be honest, everything that I'm using, it's super affordable. So I cannot go wrong with all the products that I'm using to get a full face. But yeah, I don't know, I'm not crazy for this look in particular, maybe because it's my first impression, and you never know what to expect with first impression makeups at all. Ooh, bless you, Esther. So now I'm gonna go into that palette, and I'm gonna take that middle shade, the same shade that I contoured with. I'm just gonna use that as a transition color. I just liked how this shade looked, so I was like, you know what, let me use this as a transition shade. I'm just gonna work this into my crease like so. And I'm gonna grab those two shades, the rose gold and the gold eyeshadow, that's what I'm just gonna call it. I'm just gonna work this all over my eyelid like so. You guys know I have large eyelid space, so I have so much to fill on that eyelid, okay? So yeah, the eyeshadow got on really nice. Some shadows are not that pigmented. I'll have to say the rose gold is not pigmented at all. It's just not pigmented, but the gold did get on there a lot more. I had to press on the rose gold more to get it on the brush so I can put it on my eyelid. So that's the only issue I have with this eyeshadow. So all I'm doing is just blending so I have no harsh lines. You guys, so I'm gonna go in with my Sistar Define Gel Eyeliner, long wear waterproof gel liner, you guys. I'm just gonna work this as a eyeliner under my water lash line as usual. So then I'm gonna also go in with my Sistar Eye Contour liquid liner, and I'm gonna wing myself, give myself a winged liner, not something dramatic, just something super simple. I'm also gonna pop some lashes on. This is the Koko lashes in Stella. Sistar Cosmetics don't have lashes, so kind of sad. I wish they did, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna work this chocolate brown eyeshadow under my water lash line to give myself a little bit of smoke it all out, because I didn't work this on my eyelid. I wanted it on my water lash line. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna grab my Sistar Lash Boom High Volume Mascara, and I'm just gonna work this on my lashes that I don't have, that I'm just trying to bring out with this mascara, you guys. This mascara did do good. I was able to see my lashes. I have no lashes, you guys. It's so annoying, but hey, if you can get that good mascara that can really bring those lashes out, you'll be okay. So all I'm doing is just safely blending everything all in to make sure everything looks perfect. And I'm just gonna grab my Sistar lipstick in Chestnut Jam, work this all over my lips, and then also grab my Sistar It's You setting spray. You guys, this setting spray smells amazing. So you guys, this look is done. It's so cute and flirty. I love it. So this is it for this makeup look, you guys. I love you guys. Nakupenda Sana, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!